Ladies and gentlemen, from the Eco Innovation Group here in Munich, Germany, I welcome you. I am pleased to introduce to you our innovative water treatment unit. We produce this cutting-edge product in Germany. It can be operated by solar power or connected to an electrical outlet or a diesel generator. This is not just a water treatment unit, it's a health concept. This unit can be operated in disaster areas, conflict areas, or areas of poor infrastructure. The unit design is such that anyone can operate it. The water quality produced is always healthy and the electrical power supply is always guaranteed.
Gesundes Wasser haben und dass wir natürlich immer wieder auch die Stromversorgung garantieren können.
We deliver this Eco Solar water station as a whole unit. The unit comes with a case for safe transport in these areas. The solar power supply is also included in this box. And so are spare parts and supplies such as filters, tools, cleaning supplies, sufficient for 1 year. On this side of our Eco Solar water station is the connection for germ-infested water, and healthy drinking water exits here. This is our control unit that makes the process transparent. The station can be operated by the use of a solar power panel, included in our shipment. We made sure by design that the user will always use the right connections. No mistakes will be made. This is the plug for the solar panel. The panel itself will be mounted on the roof, of course. The user can also connect the unit to an electrical outlet or a diesel generator, again by another distinctive plug. The Eco Solar water station can be supplied by a wide input range of 80 volts to 250 volts, 40 to 60 Hertz. The station is of compact and rigid design, suitable for disaster areas and tropical climate. All components are uncoupled for increased safety. During transportation, nothing can break. May I explain briefly the units involved? This is our intelligent control box. These are our filter units. The pump is installed here. Here is a battery. And this is our disinfection unit. A water counter is included. And as a special feature, we included a USB plug for charging your cell phone. I now want to explain the technology and the procedure of the water purification. Raw germ-infested water enters here. We pre-filter any debris here to protect the 12-volt pump next in sequence. The water then enters a fine filter, followed by a carbon filter, where organic compounds are filtered and the taste of water is improved. The next filter is our most important filter, where possible warm eggs in the water are being filtered. This filter is a carbon-magnesium filter, so as to comply with World Health Organization guidelines, who recommend to improve the magnesium supply in these areas. After this water counter, it enters the most important hardware, the disinfection unit. By means of UVC, all bacteria and viruses are being eliminated. Further, I would like to point out that the simple-to-use mountings are installed. That means we do not need any tools. The machine can be operated with just one tool, the hand. Thus, it is easy to clean and service. After this disinfection unit, the water exits here. This water is healthy and free of germs and bacteria. The filters can be changed with this spanner. It is very simple to do. We place it here, open the housing, and change the filter. This is simple and no one needs to be apprehensive about it. I will explain our special control unit with its innovative and foresighted design. This is the layout of the entire electrical power supply. It can be used with solar power, of course, or it can be connected to an electrical outlet or diesel generator. The unit also includes an energy optimizer. That means it will always use any solar power available before electrical power is used, even when plugged in. Further, we see the arrangement of filters explained earlier, and it is resembled on this control unit. Thus, the user can always see on the control unit what is happening inside the unit, and he can operate one step after the other. And lastly, we have a set of fuses installed here for the pump, UVC and control unit. We did provide a service light as well, so it can be operated comfortably even at night. Now I'll show you how to use this station. This is where I turn on this unit with its intelligent and innovative control unit for this EcoSolar water station. Here we see solar power is available, no external input, electrical input is available. The battery is fully charged, so the unit is fully operational. This is the indicator of the CPU, so the control unit is functioned properly. On this layout you see the connection for the raw water, it is the germ-infested water. It enters the first filter, goes through the pump, then flows through the first fine filter, followed by the carbon filter, the last fine filter, and the magnesium filter. The water unit is measured by the water counter before it enters the UVC unit. Here the indicator shows that currently it is not disinfected and we should not drink it yet. We can start the machine now. In the background of this intelligent unit, some self-tests check the power supply and function of the unit. Then the pump starts. It sucks water into the filter and the pump further into the various filters. And here it is being disinfected. That means we are producing pure drinking water now. And here at the control unit, the indicator is green now, indicating that the water is good now. Display unit cooperates with the user. That means if the filter is not okay, the display will indicate orange initially and then red. The same is true for the other filters, but especially the disinfection unit has some additional safety features. Should it not work, the machine won't even start, and the display will indicate to the user that care according to the manual is required in order to have a stable supply of water. I'm turning it off now for noise reasons. There is also a light here, so you can work on it at night or in a dark room. There are 3 more indicators on the display. One is called service and maintenance, If these indicators show red, the user is prompted to service the machine, or that cleaning is required, or that the EcoSolar water station needs to be rinsed. The user receives guidance to make sure that the system is always fully operational. The maintenance schedule that we integrated into this control unit and visualized it on display lets the user know exactly when to do what. Every 2 months, the filters need to be changed. Every 2 weeks, the UVC needs to be cleaned. This assures that always pure and healthy drinking water is readily available and the user knows at all times that he is not making any mistakes.